Things are getting clearer as we are getting closer to the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra along with S23 and S23 Plus. But do you guys know the reason why S23 didn't perform well in Geekbench score? Well, we just find out why. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to this channel. As per exynos, he shared all Geekbench scores of Galaxy S23 and mentioned why S23 is scoring less than expected. According to him, the S23 series reduces the heatsink due to the cost reduction, which causes phones to heat up and hinder performance. Although he did say he may be wrong, but this is real, that due to cost reduction, Samsung reduces heatsink. And if that happens, then there is no need for the overclock Snapdragon Gen 2 at 3.36 GHz, because it will not utilize the speed and will heat throttle. Let's just hope Samsung will have better plans for this. He also mentioned base model Snapdragon Gen 2 all models in the multi-core score easily cross 5100 mark, which means Snapdragon Gen 2 do have enough power to do this much. But we didn't know why Samsung have such issues with the S23 lineup. Either it is a heating issue or a phone in testing, so we can expect better performance near to the launch. Let me know in the comments, are you guys happy with the performance of S23 Ultra? Another leak is here, and that is the S Pen of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and why you should be excited to see the S Pen, because S Pens will match the color of the Galaxy S23 body, and these colors are the colors for the S23: cream, lavender, green, and phantom black. No white color, which means this time we are not getting the white color option on the S23 Ultra, or maybe later, closer to the launch, we might get some changes and we'll get a special edition color which will be exclusive, just like the S22 Ultra. Did you guys know the Galaxy S23 Ultra is coming earlier? Yes, there are a couple of well-known tipsters including exynos confirm when we are going to get the S23 Ultra, and the date is 1st of Feb 2023. Yes, and we might find the invitation later in the matter of days or even weeks. So buckle up as S23 Ultra is about to release. Before, it was leaked that Samsung was not able to decide the price for S23 lineup, which means Samsung is thinking of increasing the price on S23 lineup, and the least increased price could be $50 on each model, which makes S23 Ultra standing at $1,250. But as per reconsideration, we might get some good news from Samsung, and if not, then we already have some great PR deals coming with the S23 Ultra. And if you guys are interested in the first look of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.